journey. Kwesiada eju say dia na ifiemu ayede na obia et TV ne ho program ba kope and obia hwe eno ani the journey TV show Adom TV na watwi so nyame e de bre adom ye a na ye enije na ye ba bedi nkomo ye ra industry no na ye ne ai ye nkokora na ewo mu no aba betwetwe nkomo wasa me kan ye wo seris ne kra hwan na abna de ne ba ai me de me papa bia odi me ko industry mo no ene nam no so ene beti ha me no e kasa ene ye ba abetwetwe nkomo na nsa na no mamenda aboa for maso masen na me de dwumadi e brɛ ba bia wo e time herbal mixture o si malaria de e dro ba kope unum time ria na the lip tomato paste anu aduane ma aduane aye kama yenwie ye emfa give us clean care ensiesie fie mafie enti kroje na face o ho dodo na ho ye obasa mesra onya nyadua herbal mixture oboboa ama bibia aye kama empanyufoi in announce na me season 9 all the way from Kumasi at the April e wodwumadi so me twa me ho akwaje nkwato me ba ye bedi nkomo ya kwaje nkwato aba aha eye de journey so na me da wasese brebia oji bretna sina ye twetwe nkomo ya de nkomo twetwe no e ba bi gina mu pa na me papa e na bedi nkomo wa ha me guest no eye Asare Bediako Mr. Asare Bediako
Abena nyame adom Bediako
menchia o nyame dasi eja e wa nenya ade kire ya nenne e de na mo e de aba betna nyame sho
why ade wasua de so ye pa kakra ise uguso encha obepon
mama ya ye me so abu me papa so dim
se adwuma ne de
papa di me ye adwuma yes papa empana na mi director set so brama bere
kafra
enye easy so now when people are going through certain things na mesre me kai set be a I was crying na even that no more sleep I say mama o dey wake crying na wusu afi na bet na kese so now when I hear things I remember what moka you know like okobia baby abekobia ni emu nsem ewom
onze adwuma bia ni mu nsem na adwuma we so so starting sa na wanyi focus na so betietie de ni peka unro baby a e so dru no some of you know ya na mehumwa na mani age say at least no mo baaye no said yeso yesije mo feso na mo ni brace mo besua adwuma no mo ntietie de nkrofoka mo focus no na ne ama mo so matimi adru baby a modri timo so ma ya de pa yehumu say ya na yeso ya ni age say least no yeso yetimi ama
ye mo product
sanity
obese ye
exactly
o ye company nke say why ye bebre e na waboa ye kasa Asare Bediako kra o ye hwan
well Asare Bediako ye asantini ofri insuta fie me yesetre ni pure free insuta fie insuta de shepa konkron na ho na me ma me free e na me papa so free ebuo ho atrama na ya wumi Kumasi ya minyini wo stadium kakra na imroom so kakra na CPC kakra Crowroom kakra Ashtown kakra na Tema so kakra nti me ya balance na me ba me mfa me say me youthful stage no so no me be stay also ame it me mfa ne say so ame na matna for 20 years
so, wow
nti general local Asare Bediako a me kwala brem ni me nso e de bedru ye no de sa na me start me school Royal International School e wo Asuka opposite ya media from there no na me besen ko Tema me ye omo a omo tena omo fanchen kakra no wo asantefo na edo kwatena fanchen no akusua ade aba ne binti no during the time I be nyini kakra no mu no na me ma me tam me no de me ko Tema ko share me wo fansa ti me wo fa so me kwatena ho for be 3-4 years ti wo so me ko school Tema Newtown a naval base Navy school level na me ko school kakra ansana me sa back abaye common entrance Bediako secondary school that is Form 1 ewo former you find Wesley Day na Methodist Day and abaye Wesley Day
Okay.
Ti na me school no kra abana yeso ka ene me ni school bi aye we. Aye ma school ne. Ti buka say.
It is a school ya ma school.
Ti ho na me de call ya me wie.
Okay.
1 to 5 na me koto aso St. Augustine's di wie. The tour university so am di wie.
Ye share ejuma ya. We have movies are most start here. Na ye kan na but we won't fear be say.
Abana me ni afi.
Papa nye ni afi.
Oka mi ankasa mi mfie kra no se me ma me te ase. Na obusa ni mi mfie a unhu. So what you say? Ade a ya na me danya me ase ne se da bia no obeda sorry na wotenkwam eno ne hia. Age there is just a number.
Papa de na osuro visa.
Amana mi nsuro. Osuro mfie there.
Yes no.
Oda se wada ama ade a chewo. Na abana wuti ha na wu interview me. Wo mfa mi mfie nyahwe. Ana
Come mama could say uche Papa Miracle. The journey of creative arts then start here.
Well, abana me das for this way. Me ankasa na me nyo obi a wo ma dwen mo senka me right into creative arts that. Even though school me literature.
Okay.
I did literature in sixth form as well. It's not drama na dey me abreast with that.
Okay.
But me obi a na me bo na me name buye nti me name buye no na me ma me yes o ma me mobile. Yeah. Me so me papa ma no me nko ane be ma. Ye ma 7. Me ne be ma. Enye chimu de as such but na omo bo me ho ban. Because me papa be ma na bia no nya bi me nko ana me beto mu nti no mo ni wo me ho.
Wow.
Nti ni pra ne ko ba asa no o ma me sem a mobile. Me so me obi a no me ni sports because school na me create long jump. Me call friend say 1,005.
Wow.
So what you say na me sa bobo. Into no resist train no me na mu bui na me ntimi nyemu bia. Nti me ho ton me kakra no. Na me yes no me start table tennis. Nti me bought table tennis for some time. And I'm the national team.
Okay.
Nti no so no for some reasons be and the mommy jaibo.
Okay.
Mamu beam. But that time I able table tennis near training or cultural center.
Okay.
A center for national culture Kumasi. Hona na Ashanti regional team no yenyina ye training ewo. Ne hososo na at that time na omo resident theater bi wo Trematin Playhouse.
Okay.
Theater group a omo ko sa stage performances ni ade no. Na my friend baako da bia baby obi a me boni din because nyo no a enken na bia sisi nka me nte ha e ma so so nka bia so ono na me ne free so ame na ye ko cultural center no akọ Trematin Playhouse na me so akọ tennis. So after tennis no yen pon tem na makọ akọ train no ama omo rehearsal omo pon a na me nyina san be fie sa de no ko so for some time and when one day director no da bia no hwe me say upon a ubetena ha why don't you join us and I say no me de bibia me ye bia ya na my attention ho because omo started too ombe rehearsal ombe drumming and dancing na and omo wia omo the stage yina hyehye so me so me mra me ba me pon 6 answer ma betena ho enti me ye late me penisa enti director na say no we still abra he bejo so okay no problem enti me kwa na makotena actually so one day na at that time omo ye drama bi na drama no omo ye no da bi asa na me follow stage performance na me follow nti nipa bi ama e no frame so brand be shame na be ye ma no me be ye. So when I jump on the stage sisi to be very honest me you be esa me literature na me ye nti na me nim ya new makakra to me jump in I did it perfectly no be a bonensem I say
ba no be gina ha
ba no ba betina de no so nim ye nti hona director na start so busame sada ma ye bi da na and then na catch so yeah school me yeah literature near no say near perfect you can act nti ho Professor Daniel Apieji he was the director and say near me started nti ho and I started. Now, lo and behold, I think somewhere around 99, na we were supposed to go to South Africa for all African games. Okay. Me started only in Anami Daso ebo tennis no.
Okay.
And for some reasons no, and to me amaso. Ena yebufu in yes tennis no cry mobile ya jaibo because I'm always stay tie. Oh. And the mommy jaina me concentrate on the acting no. It was all in the daily papers no near the National Star turned comedian. Oh, because at that time what we do with ubeye drumming and dancing no kakranti no. Omo betumi se omo ye rehearse no betumi so sem so eja mi teta mai to kakra na ye sapan logo na omo asem na say starting and check didimu na at that time your stage performances your core schools echo performing share money adinti didim somewhere around 99 2000 and I decided so no if that is the case I will start something on my own. So I did my first movie me group that was Media Mission Network International. My name one Pastor Roxanne. Okay, and now dear one start to a miracle hope. Me start me ankasa me own. Oh, own, okay. Answer Papa. Okay. And you know, from there, you started, and TV series cry Emma never out at that time. To even Kumasi na be TV series, it wasn't easy. Whims of Life. You started from that time, and a miracle. And so a buyer say audition. Okay. Cultural Center. Okay. Okay. So at that time, Chemati Playhouse here near Hona myself. Mr. Kwakuchumesi, Daniel Adeleye, Mavelin, Ralph Samau, a few couple of a year na at least yeah the experience no tie call audition ni bi ni nyina ye pass. So that was when American who say Ashanti region krankro wa ha omo ya dia e betimi I use omo nti ye na ode ye den start. Okay. And at that time not Nigerian for no na enye easy we piti dochi nom ne patata nom kanayo nom nyina na ode omo ba and ode omo ba e blended with Accra. Because at that time na it's not easy say Ashanti region how benya nipa mu watimi ayewe because crew ni nyina na of free and crying. Wow. Jifagli ponum edina matachi no for free Accra na ebi ni Kumasi won and I mention so say Kumasi and na nipa nim say ejuma okay ejuma concert ni ejuma okay enti no ye started you know and a few people are me boarding ye na ye nipa no nim say ye ade okay enti wo hu ye sa na man e come on the idea of any on starting grooming crofo okay and so abetimi aboase de be ya on timi nkofa and crofo foforo emma emoka okay enti what the blend now I imagine one Grace Note nomine Jifagli ponumu acting including Kanayo Nigerian stars no it was big. Into at that time we are Kumasi near Ro Papa Bena Obinyam Pointimi and I see at that time so okay your body yes so say cry when you need isn't nice Ro Papa Bay but near very good director no may he so rest in perfect peace late Ifan Uniabo. Okay. Audition no to make us say oh my excellent but my body no it's oh it's into your groom ya up to when Mr. Nyameche who say no Kumasi you beat me aye baby and then starting using that is when or started say oh be using or be yes stories a be favoring and then man started asem because so sure was starting the first way you know with Asimo and Mr. Hepik. Oh, remember your mother with Omunyina Yansana. Obe decided Abe Asem. So me funny say Asem was one of the movies and on my limelight in the pa. Okay. Mobile industry me challenges being a woman as an actor, director, producer. What's the challenges challenges it will more. Because as a director, as an actor, as a producer, so also mean combining, as an actor you have a challenge. As a director you have a challenge and as a producer you have a challenge. Wow. My challenge I'm facing or acting one a year. Sometimes the storyline any won't fa any nipa duane mfa So what you say, no chese when you good.
Yeah.
Because I'm somebody, I mean, me a professional actor because my training from the stage and up there back screen.
Yeah.
So I have the experience. But when it comes to acting now, sometimes the character be a director ne pen or look for a specific personality. And what they are. Into a show body na and fama. Into any time be an a say, we are the and so see intimate you. That is the one challenge I'm facing here as an artist.
Okay.
Into the man maybe yes and no. If that is the case,
your crew.
Me in fact no I was 7 year part of the crew. Na me di sua bi before e ka ho.
Okay.
So what you say? Me be ye crew no so no. Me mfa ne say from crew no e bia ade a me ntimi nya makeup.
Okay.
And na man she dey nsua.
Bibia.
But from PA to directorship, I pass it through all. Until I know everything.
So it makes it easier when you are working.
It makes it easier when I work and when I'm working. Yeah. Very good. And then I since I'm a mature no, until me develop all the talents me direct it.
Hold on for me. And now say no or true script writer until or develop it so person on your director. You try who you buy, you better one one so. Ya kwaje nkwato aba aha eye Adum TV na meka yo se de jeni jumadi na na yeguso no meni Asare Bediako na etwetwe nkomo director na nse yetete se yesi wo hene etimpa chowe de na wani ma wonkondwadin eye dey ohene ne de on se mi ankasa na menkola abrem nyina na yesi me hene so nim se from chief enti enye abrofudin keke eye chief
yes meti akonya kese so.
Oh, okay.
Mene wo ka say nsuta akonya to. Me wo fani mpon na net so yenyansi. Okay. Me di akonya mani. Me so hene. Industry mo ohuni say any that's wo ho. I keep saying say industry no e change from the way ana yesi enyoma no nyoma esesa. Okay. It was yes esesa. And it does so bebre. Ghanaian creative arts for no, creative for no, very talent. Okay. You time to learn. Okay. And to make opportunity be a and what I tell the younger ones in the training say, you don't just exhibit your talent, okay, but you must learn as all well. The time. Any regret so far being a public figure? Not at all. It's a blessing to me than regret. Because a idea abuame. Senye noa kene nyane senka abana wato wonsa fremia who interview me. Sometimes I walk, I meet people and they admire me, they adore me so because of the work I am. So I have a lot of privileges. Meaning so many chance opportunities through the industry, and I'm a manyasa akunyani. If I was say on tiny baby bio about your life, I want to some baby and then away. Baby anywhere I my brother mama proud of. Really? Yes. Everything be a me be a no. I might bring seme. Okay. So what you say? Only if I have the chance, send collaborate, kamesaya collaborate, kamaye me ho suade. No. So what you say? Maye me ho suade nanka. Creative arts we are far to me so no suani ye enti nkaminya that opportunity na nkama yire me ho no suade ye because enkwala na aba me hu say education no mon sheda MP. Throughout the whole industry did you ever had crash? Did you ever in your life obi wo ha you crash now you were crashing on the person? No, we am a crash pa. Last simple crash. No can so no can ya ma fe but yeah crash into me who say see what's up no be kasa no na crash na me crash on you no say ube focus on adwuma na opese oye na etimi di wedru baby pa but na nye bia so sa e no penyi kase ye da se pa se wa ba de jeni so na de jeni for se me fa flower e ma na yen kan cho say ye da wase pa ye do we appreciate you pa na fe teacher ye me fe pa eni Oh my goodness.
Recall, not so no. We should show a picture. This picture was one of my favorites.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
I say, I believe I will true senior. No one will say, I'm a man, I would dear, because we are Ghana. Oh, Kasai, I'm a oh, did I am a everything that you want to do, no one will say Ghana, and no one a war.
Thank you.
In your boy, baby, and I saw your mind.
I love you.
Aha, I feel where we are no penny case if a good hamame.
Oh,
I tell you what I say. Na you back and mammy, why?
Hey, Abena. Okay, my family.
Hey, well, wait a minute. Moments, Ben, or rain feed our brabum.
It's when I lost my mom.
Oh,
yeah.
Because
I lost her after me. I'm feeding a bee. Now you taking her for a review. You didn't call review, and I would jail. So it's one moment. Me ring feeder.
The Jenny for you na Ghana man in Asi shedding. Kafra wine, I mean, a no so and a edge. Baby Pia will be a mean, send never see a dear ever papa and home. One TV so, one baby baby, but now we should die in Nimono. And all the afana brabo, a quintunum. It's in I Rebecca say, yet I was sick. I feel a boy for Master Massin and I watch you be a with you, my dear, a bro. I mean, sure, mo pa, some go so I cry mo. Now your drew season 9, you walk see a year so. Made I don't TV, I say, but a sponsor singing as me crew, or be what would see fear wash a ye won't see and a the Jenny a good swa echo. Yami in shramo, a send back and a dead pia me catch mo. Missing a no ma, a bay ye. Bidding at the Abena Ghana, Alpuno 4, a good year. Break on this year, my crowd.